Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be making OGBONO soup, and this is grounded crayfish. You see, I've already blended it, and this is dry fish. This one is pepper, Maggie cube, oge, dawa, and this is OGBONO. I love using this one that is not blend because it's much better. This is ugu leaf. I put it in the freezer before. So what is it? This is roasted fish. I roast it by myself. And this one is stockfish head. This stockfish head is actually very good for OGBONO soup, and I will be using red oil, palm oil. So this is the meat. I have cow leg here. I have goat meat. This is goat meat, and this one is cow leg. So I decided to boil them first before showing you, because I don't want to waste your time too much. So I've already cooked the meat, the goat meat and cow leg. So I'll be adding the stockfish now. So I will boil it for some minutes in again. So you see the OGBONO now. I have to blend them. I have to blend it very well. It's good you buy OGBONO that you can blend, you know. You see, everything is fusing together. This is pepper and oge. I'll be blending both of them together. So this is the dry fish. I soak the dry fish with water. So this fish, I'll be removing all the bones. You know, when the kids are eating this soup, so they will not go and choke themselves with the bone. So I always remove all the bones. I will just make sure that there's no bone inside. Because of the case, you really need to remove the bone very well. See the way I remove everything. So I'll be putting palm oil in the fire, in the pot. I'm not going to bleach it. Please don't bleach it. It's just normal hot, not bleaching. So I'm going to add the OGBONO now. I'll make sure everything is very well melt it very well. You see, everything has properly melted. I'm adding the stock meat. I'm gonna stir it very well. I will stir it very, very well. Don't want to see any seed or something. Adding the pepper, dry fish, so I'll be adding this crayfish, but I will not be adding everything. I will still leave some for later. So I'll be adding this meat now. So after adding this meat, I will just leave it for 10 minutes. So you see, after 10 minutes, so I'll be adding the fish almost the last thing. You see the ogbono is getting really thick. So I will still leave it for 5 minutes more or 6. After adding this vegetable, I will leave it for 6 minutes because I want my ogbono to burn a little bit. You know, it's good when your ogbono burn a little bit. It gives you that taste, that unique taste. So I always leave my ogbono to burn a little bit, very little bit. Try it, guys. You just tell me how you feel after leaving your ogbono to burn a little bit. Just tell me how and what you experience when you are eating it. It's very good, guys. You see, so I will just leave it for 5 minutes more. Then the soup is ready. Guys, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell. You see, I will be adding the crayfish now, the last thing I added, because I want the soup to remain. I don't know how to explain it. I want that taste from crayfish, you know. I want that taste to be there. Thanks for watching this video, and guys, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And my old subscribers, thank you. I really appreciate you guys. I appreciate you for coming. Keep coming. Thank you so much. God bless you all. And if you do this kind of ogbono soup, let me know. Just tell me how you like your ogbono. Thank you so much. See you soon.